you want to know how you can simply go ahead and transcribe your audio or video on Premiere Pro. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video, shall we? First things first, let's start by importing a media. So it could be anything. So let me just go ahead and do so. So for example, I've imported a video right over here with audio. All I'm going to do is simply go ahead and select the audio. And all I need to do is click on this arrow icon, select text right over here, select the audio file and click on transcribe. Once you do that, Premiere Pro is going to do its job and then it's going to simply go ahead and transcribe the whole video for you. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.